Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Victoria Blends. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I will be doing a full get ready with me. I already kind of did my hair. I'm not gonna put any more heat in it, but I am gonna be doing my makeup and getting dressed. So if you want to watch me do my makeup, please continue watching. So as you can see, I'm on my bedroom floor. I do sit on my bedroom floor and I either draw, paint, or do my makeup. It's nothing new. So thanks for being down here with me. Behind me is my closet and all my bedding. I kind of like make my bed every single day because it's just what I like to do. And it's kind of just folded behind me so other stuff is cleared out the way because I just have a lot of stuff, and I'm going to be showing you a video of the stuff that I've broken down so I can continue to live like a minimalist, because if you didn't know, I was living like a minimalist for like a year and a half. I was kind of like honestly wearing like the same clothes for a year, and I would like shop here and there. Not as much as I did in like 2020. So 2019, I was like living out of a suitcase basically. And so yeah, I miss having a lot of stuff, and then but like when I have all my stuff, I really miss me just like knowing what I'm gonna use. Like, this is my face products, this is this, this is this, this is that. You know, I never really like wore a lot of makeup every single day. So today I'm gonna be doing like kind of like a semi full glam. So the way I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows and filling them in, let me talk and get ready at the same time because I have to go. So the way I'll be doing my eyebrows is like, I guess the Instagram eyebrows where you fill it in and like block it, you know? But I only do that when I'm trying to like put on a mask, you know what I'm saying? So with my skincare has been on my face for like 2 hours already. What time did I wake up? Like 5:15, and I washed my face at like 6:30 and started putting my skin. I did a mask. So what the mask was is this Goddess Skin Clay Mask, and I just did it, you know, all over. And then I had these iPad gels on that were firming, but it is Skin Iceland Solutions for Stress Skin Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels. They felt good, but I don't know if they did like a difference. I mean, yeah, you know what? They kind of did. I didn't like that I kind of had to like peel them off, and my skin was like, I don't know. I don't like that. I like my fascia attached to my skin and my muscles. So yeah. Anyways, so I did this clay mask, and then I did the eye pads, and then I put on this magic serum. This is all Charlotte Tilbury. I did Charlotte Tilbury skincare today. I like her skincare. I really like her night magic cream. Wow, did I see a difference using it twice. I think it was a sample. I always talk about like these samples. These are just like my trial little mini versions that I got in her advent calendar. And so I did the serum, and then I did the magic cream light with SPF. I did a little bit of this Charlotte's magic cream. So I did the clay mask, washed it off, and then I did this Murad hydrating toner. What I've been using, as you can see, this has helped with my rosacea and I guess like my cheek eczema. I mean, like when I get eczema and have rosacea, I have like these little tiny little whiteheads basically, and I don't pop them at all. If I pop them, I feel like it's only open and more susceptible for like all the grime that's out there, and I'm straight. So what you do is just like basically exfoliate like I did with my oats or my porridge or whatever. And yeah, and so this literally had like, look at that stuff in there. It's so cool. So that's my favorite toner. So wash the mask off, tone, and then did all that skincare. And then I'm letting my skincare adjust. So at the same time, I'll be talking about my favorites and doing my face. Favorites: Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It is a moisturizer as well as a primer. So if you've seen my video for, what was I doing? Unboxing the Makeup Forever haul. I never really used the Makeup Forever primers. And so, legit, what the reviews said that the primer is known for doing, it did it to me. So, it looked like just like it was flaking. Like, the foundation was flaking. Yeah. So, the next time I did it, let's see. My foundation the second time, I put on this Bobbi Brown face base. And it looked freaking amazing. Oh, let me also put my hair back. This is like a 10-in-1, this scarf. So I use it to just protect my neck so the wind doesn't like blow at me. And it's also, it like covers the nape of my neck. Because the wind just like creeps up and gets super crazy. Okay. Oh crap, I need to go wash my face sponge. Let me put some more primers on. So this is my bag of Makeup Forever. I should say my foundation. So let me just set everything out so I know everything that I'm doing. I'm not going to be using this Tarte one. I like it because it's more tan. So I'll start to use it like in April, May or something when I want to look like more warm. I kind of titled this in my video, but when you do the primers, you have to pay attention to the numbers. I was just all over the place in that video. I put on the concealer and then I put on the primers because I was just like opening stuff. So as soon as I grabbed it out of the box, I just put it on. This is a hydrator, right? So I recommend doing the hydrator first and then you do number 2. So you do like the silicone primer, like a pore filler, and you don't need much. Legit. Like, you're putting so many layers on your face. You want your natural face to, you know, all that glow to come through and stuff. Unless you have texture. This is probably really, really good for like ice pick scars, they're called, kind of, but not. Like, they're just really like deep scarring. What I recommend for that is like exfoliating more than once a week. If you're gonna do exfoliating more than once a week, don't do the same exfoliator all the time. Do like a chemical exfoliator. Do a mechanical exfoliator where you can feel the, you know, don't make it too abrasive. Like, don't like, oh, I want these scars to go away. And like a real like tapping is all you need. You don't need to like rub it in. If you see me like rubbing, I'm like gliding the product. I'm like gliding and like tapping at the same time. Okay, so this would be number 5. So 2, 3, 4. I don't know what's in between. Probably colors, different color primers. For my redness, I'll be using Tati Lash's sponge for this. I really liked how it worked, but I'm going to wash it first. I really hate using a dirty sponge for new makeup application, and so I'm going to use my face wash to wash my sponge. I'll be back. is my finished look. I got my lashes on. No. So this is the finished look. I put my brows and my eyeliner on. For my very first makeup tutorial. I think it was 2010. Alright, this is my finished little look. And that's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.